Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card purchase protection benefits. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one, just going to go straight to the point. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Atlas account. Remember, you can log in on the Atlas mobile app, or you could choose to log in on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website. Now once you're logged in with your username and password, you're just going to select the credit card accounts that you want to use the purchase protection benefits for. Just select that from the account dashboard, and then once that's selected, you're going to click on purchase protection, and you're going to need to review the benefits details just so you're aware of exactly what you're going to benefit from that. And you can just contact the purchase protection provider to file a claim or request assistance. And you're going to need to provide documentations to support the claim, such as receipts or proof of purchase. And once that's done, you're going to receive reimbursements or assistance for eligible purchases. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card purchase protection benefits. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next.